Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update KB5086672 not installing error codes 0x80070003, 0x80070002, 0x80071a2d. First, open Windows Settings, Windows Update, click Pause Updates, then Resume Updates, and try installing again. If that doesn't work, type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find App Readiness, set it to Automatic, click Apply, Start, then restart the service. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service bits and Windows Update Service. Now go back and try the update again. Still not working? Run PowerShell commands. Search PowerShell, run as administrator, and execute all commands provided in the description. These reset Windows Update components. Restart your PC after running them. Next, run system repair scans. Search CMD, run as administrator, and run the 3 commands SFC and DSM. Wait for each scan to complete, then restart your PC. If the issue persists, install the update manually using the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5086672, check your Windows version using WinVer, and confirm your system type in Settings, System, About. Download the correct version, install it, and restart. Still not fixed? Close all third-party apps and services. Also, uninstall conflicting programs like anti-cheat software, for example Riot Vanguard, then restart and try again. Next, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, and select Fix Problems using Windows Update. This reinstalls Windows without deleting your files. If nothing works, use the Media Creation tool from the Microsoft website. Download it, create an ISO, run setup, and choose Keep Personal Files and Apps to repair Windows. One of these steps should fix the update issue. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie.